Revenue from the global automobile engine and part manufacturing market is analyzed at $410.21 billion in 2024. The market is projected to increase at a remarkable 8.3% CAGR and reach a size of $912.97 billion by the end of 2034. The need for automotive aftermarket parts is growing because of the increasing car ownership rates in several countries. Because aftermarket parts are less expensive than original manufacturer parts, they are a desirable option for price-conscious customers. Other than this, the investment in hybrid engine technologies is increasing, which is also positively influencing the automobile engine and part manufacturing market growth. Internal combustion engines, ICE, and electric power components are combined in hybrid automobiles to increase fuel efficiency and lower pollutants. Consequently, there is now a greater need for hybrid-specific parts, such as electric motors, specialist batteries, regenerative braking systems, and others.